In primetime news this evening, still on board, Prime Minister outlines the government's plans for the Peace Management Initiative. Get ready. Experts urge Jamaicans to be on alert as earthquakes rock parts of the region. And Port Royal residents welcome cruise development, but warn against environmental damage. Good evening and welcome once again to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Gray.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Well, remember that alert from the Jamaica National Group relating to cybersecurity and Iran? Well, they're seeking to clarify the information that was circulated. Stick around for the details in the Business Day.
Okay, thank you, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Jeremy Brown at the Sports Desk. He'll give us a look at what's coming up in sports. Jeremy.
Thank you, Herman. So you're familiar with the VAR or the VAR system, yes, in football?
To some extent, yes.
To some extent. Well, I tell you what, your familiarity will be increased as VAR will be coming from afar and into the Caribbean region, the CONCACAF region this year. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
VAR is coming from... There is also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your views on arguments to regulate Airbnbs?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns
The VAR
right after this
coming
break.
from afar.